Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video, I'll show you how to use CatCut Video Editor and free video maker EasyCut that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store, and in here, type in Cut. Here it is. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So free video editor, easy and fast. Templates, make music video with super effects, unique slideshow style, super transition, diverse stickers and effects, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know, if you want to edit videos, photos on your phone at any time and anywhere, EasyCut Video Editor is your best choice. EasyCut Video Editor is easy, free, and powerful video editing, photo editing, and collage app that allows you to edit, merge, modify videos, image, video, blog, status, and even movies on your phone, anytime, anywhere. EasyCut is easy to use. You can make a wonderful video in 30 seconds with music, effects, filters, stickers, motion, subtitles, and other built-in features. EasyCut Video Editor can do what CapCut, InShot, and other mobile apps cannot do. Powerful as it is, EasyCut can meet all your needs for video editing, photo editing, and making collage. So the main features available, it has easy editing and simple and fun. Edit photos like a pro, provides a free and fast photo editing tool, efficient collage tool, make a beautiful collage with 1 to 9 images in just a few clicks. Trending video effects and filters, add music, color grading, crop and change background, customize titles and graphics. Video speed control, compress video, export your full video with HD. So once you've done creating a video, EasyCut Video Editor allows you to export it in full HD format and easily display it on any of your favorite SNS, including YouTube, Instagram, and so on. Alright, so here it is. So there's a new version. Alright, let's update it later. So this is the home page. As you can see, these are the effects that you can use, or templates that you can use for your images and videos. So there, you just have to scroll down and then look for the effects that you want to apply, or templates that you want to apply. So you can also go to the tutorials tab if you want to see how it's going to be done. So how to import clips, you just have to tap that. How to split the video, just also have click the view. And then how to trim your videos, and so on. So you can also go to stickers tab and you will see all of this. So these are the stickers that you can apply to your videos or photos. So there's really a lot. And then these are the newly added effects or templates there that you can use. VIPs there, live. So let's go ahead and go to settings first. And so if you go to settings, you have the option to enable or disable the watermark, then invite friends, send feedback, rate the EasyCut, and so on. So let's go ahead and alright, so it's going to let's allow it. Alright, so these are the videos that I have on my phone, and you can also use your photos, select your videos or photos. So videos and photos is on my phone, and stock videos is where you can download videos. So you just have to select any of these. So titles, they also have that one there. Animation, there's a lot of animation that you can try to your videos. So there, funny memes, BMW, ending. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, these are the endings. You can try this one. So let's take a look at this. Using videos, and there. So you can select one track to edit, drag the handle to trim the video, and so on. Zoom in the timeline for precise editing, long press and drag to swap order. So there's really a guide for you to follow. You can also use the more tutorials button. So there, that's the ending, right? So let's go ahead and create a project. So let's do the photos. This one you can apply, you can adjust it, brightness, contrast, exposure, gamma, saturation, and so on. Once you're done, hit the check mark, and then effects. There, these are the effects that you can use there. So there's really a lot of effects that you can apply to your photos. And then filters there, so VIP film and so on. So stickers and text, you can put a sticker in here, like you can put a title, and then apply styles, change the font, color, stroke, and background. So you can also add shadows. And then sticker is where you can add stickers to your photos or videos. So these are the examples below. You just have to download it first, like this one there, and then hit the check mark to apply it. And then crop is where you can crop your image, so you can choose which one do you like. So there's a predefined ratio in here, so this one, or this one, it's up to you. Or you can do it manually by dragging it like this. Then once you're done, hit the check mark, and then it will be saved. Pixelate is where you can apply this one, pixelate there. And then once you're done, you can hit the check mark. So I'm not going to do that. And then there's a discard information here. You want to save or discard? Let's discard it for the meantime. And then collage, let's select a photo this time. All right, this one, let's add 4 or 5 photos, and then apply the layouts. So there, the layout has been applied. Border, you can adjust the border, and also if you want to make it like this, rounded corners. And then background, you can change the background color, so you can use the color palette in here. So once you're done, you can save it. You can also adjust the colors, then effects, so it's up to you. So once you're done, just hit save. This one here, EasyCut, you can tap the close one there, and let's just discard it. So we're done with collage, and let's also try now the video. So for videos, we want our photos to be this one. All right, so videos, let's apply this clip, or we can use the stock video. All right, so let's use our own video instead. So this one, so there, select one track to edit, and then you can apply music by tapping this one here. And then you can select your music there. You have to play it and then select like this one, if you no copyright, cheerful, and so on. So let's use this one, no copyright, and then apply this one, use it there. And once you're done with that, you can go back and then apply effects. Okay, something like that. So effects has been applied. Glitch there. So just select any of the filters in here or effects that you want to use. So there's really a lot. You just have to scroll it there. Dynamic there. Okay, you can customize it according to your needs. So I want to apply this one here. This one's really interesting. Okay, let's hit the check mark to apply the effects, and then let's remove the watermark. Alright, let's make it full screen. Alright, this is where you can make changes to your video. So the ratio for TikTok, there, that's for TikTok, and so on. You can change the background, edit, and so for edit, you can flip the video there. You can mirror it. You can rotate it if you want to. So let's we're done with the effects. Then audio, you can even add your own voice by tapping it. So you can also do that. And then filters, okay, this one, original, and this one there. So swipe to change the filter. Alright, so adjust the color, pixelate, and so on. So text is where you can add titles or put some styles or text on your videos. Let's say you want to put a title in here, so just edit this title, enter your text in here. You can change the font like this one, and then you can type your own text here like ice cream there, and then font, style there, you can choose any of the styles in here. Color, you can change the color, strokes, and shadow. Once you're done, apply or hit the finish button. Just go back, and then also sticker. You can put some sticker to your videos like this one there. You can drag it anywhere you want to put it. You can also adjust the size like that. You can make it bigger or smaller, it's up to you. And once you're done, just hit the check mark. I'm going to delete it. And then motion is where you can apply motion. So this one there. Alright, so it's now being applied. Zoom is where you can zoom in there. Once you're done, you just have to tap the check mark. And also split, you can trim your videos there, you can do that. Then make your videos like this. And if you want to undo this, just tap this one here, undo. And there, the changes has been redone. So you can also delete it there, and then you can add again. So videos, select your videos there, and then apply. You can duplicate it. So 2 videos has been added. Then freeze, there you have the option to freeze it there. It's not moving. And then you can apply or make changes to your videos, speed, reverse, and canvas. It's up to you. Once you're done, just hit the save button, and then you can have your final results. And if you want to add more videos to your editing area, then tap this one. So just hit this one, and then choose your own photos or videos, or you can go to stock videos. And then once you're done, hit the save button, it will be saved to your videos. So these are the sample effects that you can use. So if you want to go back to your projects, you can just tap the projects, and there. So we have 2 projects that we have not completed yet. So you can also go to the slideshow there, select photos, add, and there you can create a slideshow there. You can see, and you can apply effects like this one, glitch. Let's apply that. Alright, so the glitch should start from here. Alright, so let's apply the glitch to all of our images like that. So there. So once you're good with that, you can also, so effects, okay, you can only apply one effects. Audio, you can add your videos, you can add your audios, effect, filters there, and then text, title, and so on. So let's say that this is our final result. as an example, and then we want to save it. So just have to tap the save button, and then you will have this option. So video quality, original is going to base on your first clip, and then 180p, 720p, 480p, and it's up to you. Can even have the animated GIF if you want to. So I prefer the full HD, this one there. Just tap it, and now it's processing. So we'll have our final result. So here it is. So do you like EasyCut? You can rate the app. So let's just say yes there. So cancel, and now it's being saved to our local album. So you can share it to your TikTok, WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and so on. So if you want to go back to your editing, just tap this one here, and this one is if you want to go back to your home page. Go there. So we are now on our home page. Then you can do something again, create make videos, photo editor, then effects, add music, and all the tools. Tap all the tools, and you will see all of these available. So GIF maker, trim video, merge your video, add GIF, and so on. So this application is really useful for anyone who wants to edit their photos and videos and make it and apply enhanced colors filters, and so on. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.